Today we're going to do a Passion Fruit Margarita, my style. I'll tell you everything you need. You need a juicer. You need fresh limes. You can use the lime juice if you must, but the fresh limes are actually better. Shaker, strainer, jigger, salt, sea salt preferably, some kind of coarse salt. Sour mixer, and actually my sour, it looks dark because I used the demerara sugar in it instead of just a regular simple syrup. But it's just lemons, limes, and sugar. That's what it is. I guess I'll have to make a video on how to make that. Passion fruit. This is my passion fruit of choice. It's better than the one that everybody gets in a big bottle. To me, that's my opinion. But this is the passion fruit that I like to use, Library Company. No, I'm not getting paid. It's just what I like to use. Cointreau. Some people say triple sec. This is a bougie triple sec. If you want a good cocktail, use good ingredients. You can tell the difference. Can you not, Deja? Mm-hmm. You really can tell the difference between Cointreau and other brands of triple sec. Last but not least, the star of the show, tequila. And we're going to use tequila ocho. And Rod, no, it's not too good to put in a good cocktail. And yeah, it's nothing is beneath, to me, nothing is beneath putting in certain cocktails. And if you want a good margarita, you use a good tequila. And Jesus Christ, people, please stop shooting good tequilas and whiskeys. Shoot that cheap shit. Maybe I ought to do a video on that. If I can get Ingrid to sit down and talk with me, and we'll do a video on that. So anyway, here we go. First things first, you need a rocks glass. I'm gonna take a lime wedge and you cut it in half. Well, you don't cut it in half, but you slit it and you run it around the rim. This is how you rim your glass. I normally don't do this. Your salt. And that's how you get your salt rim. Now you can be fancy if you want, and you can take it and do it like that and just rub the salt right there so it won't be all the way around. I like it all the way around. You can use salt or you can use sugar. But since it's a sweeter drink because it's passion fruit.
Or tahini.
Thank you, Pooh. Or tahini. But I prefer to use salt instead of, because if you use sugar to rim it on a sweet, it's going to be kind of sweet. With the passion fruit, it just, use salt or tahini. Tahini is very, very good on the passion fruit margarita. Okay, so let's get to it. The first thing I always use are the serves. This is the 2 ounce side. This is the 1 ounce side. This is my recipe that I came up with for my family. They love it. Passion fruit syrup is first. I take the thickest syrup first, 1 ounce. I always do the thickest stuff first. So everything else can come behind and wash the jigger out. And you make sure you get everything out of the jigger for you cheap people. Next thing, a 1/2 ounce of the sour mixer. Because why? Deja? Do you remember?
Oh, because if you use a whole, it's going to be too sweet.
It's going to be too sweet. Control. 1 ounce. Tequila, 2 ounces.
And an extra splash.
And a what?
Extra splash.
And a, oops.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. Then the lemon. I'll show you something real quick that my mama taught me when I was a kid. When you're dealing with fresh, I'm sorry, I said a lemon, a lime. When you're dealing with fresh lemons and limes and you're going to juice them, take them, roll them on the table a little bit until they kind of give. So they're not, when they're real firm and you want them to give a little bit when you roll them on the table like that, and you get a little more juice out of them. Thank you, Mama, for that. But that's who taught me that. And I put this in the wrong piece. That's all right. We're gonna make it work. Juice, half a lime. Okay, so we got ice in our rocks glass, ice in the shaker. Pop it, get a good seal. Smile when you shake, you ready to drink. "15, 20 seconds, when you feel it getting cold in your hand, you know it's ready. Pop it. Right into your rocks glass. Should I garnish it?
No.
If you want to garnish it, you can put a lime wheel on it or a lime wedge on it. But since we got salt on it, I mean, you can just do like that if you want to. And there you have Passion Fruit Margarita. Let's taste it. Shit, that is good. That's how come your mama wanted 3 last night, ain't it? Damn, that's good. The salt really kick it off. You want to try it? You sure? Okay. Peace.